Once you're a lover of ice cream, you will love a good flavor ice cream, and of course you'll most definitely have your favorite ice cream. This coconut coffee ice cream or coffee coconut ice cream was delicious. Sharing this one, and I started off with my skim milk and my coffee. Now I heated my skim milk and I added my coffee to this, stir that in to incorporate my flavors, and of course I added some powdered sugar to this to help with the sweetening process. This also takes some cocoa powder, and I added that to the mixture. Continue mixing to make sure, as I said before, it's incorporated, and of course this needs to be strained, so when I am finished incorporating all of this, that will definitely be done. Has to be strained. After this, we are going to incorporate everything and make our delicious ice cream. Next step is our heavy cream, and I use 2 cups, some vanilla extract, and I'm going to whisk this. Guys, thank you so much for being here again if you've been here before. And if you've been here for the first, if you're being here for the first time, welcome. I added my coconut milk to this, and if you have coconut cream, it works perfect. Condensed milk is also added to this, and this is about half tin of condensed milk, because remember we've used the powdered sugar before in the other part of our mixture. The coffee mixture now is added to this, and we're just gonna incorporate all this. See how simple this is to make, and believe me, this is delicious. Of course, the coffee flavor is more dominant than the coconut flavor, but nonetheless it was a very tasty ice cream. Guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that post notification bell so whenever I upload you will be notified. I added this to my bowl and, well, my container, and this was freeze for overnight, but you can do this for about 6 to 7 hours. Now there's the option of decorating your dessert glassware, and this I would recommend because aesthetics is important. I also recommend that when you remove your ice cream from your freezer, you leave this on the counter for about 2 to 3 minutes. It depends on how hot your kitchen is, how it depends on the temperature of your kitchen. Now you can decorate as you choose to. As you see here, added some chocolate, melted chocolate, then I added a green cherry. Of course you need to pep it up how you see fit, and I am showing you 2 different ways that I decorated. I hope you like this video. You can definitely try this because I know you will enjoy this. Oh, no, can't tell me say this no look good. Very tempting, and it was delicious. Remember to leave me a comment. Until next time, bye.